Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are with the landscape series. So this morning I got here and this was here. The rental company dropped this off. It's a JCB 18Z-1. The rental company dropped this off because we're going to be using this on a job today. We got to take out a tree, but it's in like a very tight space. And this is the biggest machine we have here because we had to bring that Bobcat back. So, We'll probably be picking that up sometime, but we gotta do it with this to get in there, cause I just can't do it. I need to use this cause this wasn't very much. I think it cost me $200 to rent this for a day. So I mean, I thought that was a good deal. But yeah, so we got that for the day. I'm going to be cutting down a tree. I really didn't hear the equipment access point. I didn't go scope it out. Someone called me and said I needed to take it out, so I went, checked it out, and everything was, they called me, said it was hard to get in, so I had to rent this, and they said the tree was right next to the house, so put the ramps down. The rental company delivered this morning, so I didn't go pick it up. If I went and picked it up, I would have filmed it for you, but they have a few of these, actually, I think. This thing's like very small. I heard Kubota makes one of these guys, which is cool. Oh guys, comment down below what else we should get. Thinking about getting a Vermeer mini skid steer, because I've heard those things are pretty cool. That'd be nice for a tight job like this. Get the tree taken down. I think I'm gonna have to back this one up. Dude, this thing's as wide as one ramp. I need to stinking back it up one ramp. Jeez. I can't adjust these ramps, make them go in, because it doesn't. It doesn't do that on my trailer, so. I'd have to use my boom to get me up the trailer. It's like a support stabilizer. Oh, there we go. Dude, I could probably, this thing weighs I think 1,000 pounds. I can fit this in the back of my truck. It's small enough, I'll tell you that. Lower it down, because that's a company policy. We have to lower our, if we're in a backhoe, a skid steer, an excavator, we have to lower our, booms down, like that. Throw a strap over it. Strap right here on the back. Alright. I don't know why I didn't go check the job out beforehand, but I probably wouldn't buy a mini excavator like this, because it's a little bit, I don't know, it's too small for me. I definitely need something bigger. I'm not a small, I like big, I don't like big excavators, because then they're too big to even do anything. but I like just like a medium-sized one. Alright, there's no good parking here at all. It was right there. I mean, yeah, I guess I could get a skid steer in here, but it'd be really tight. I should have picked up my Bobcat, because this thing's not going to be able to move it very well once it's cut down. Grab my chainsaw real quick here. Drop my truck off. They said their septic was in here somewhere, so they're gonna have to have someone else come in and grind the stump, because it's a weird spot for a septic system. No, it's the tanks here, but this is a very weird house. Very weird job. But I definitely would have thinking, I don't know. Oh, there's another little tree. I don't want to drop it on that herbicide tank there, so I'll drive up on this hill here. Put my blade down for support. Go. Alright, this is weird job site here. I feel like the smaller it gets, the jerkier it gets. I don't want to drop it on that tank or the house, so get that up there. Too bad I don't have an extra hand here. Alright, well, didn't go where I wanted it to go, but it wasn't the biggest tree. I mean, it was a good sized tree. That'll get you some firewood for the winter, I guess. Just move this over here for them. They said they wanted to keep the wood, I'm just thinking, I'm gonna have to bring my, once I get my Bobcat, I have to come back here. I'm just thinking, throw that down the hill. I don't need that, but, well, that job was pretty short. Well, I guess we can get out of here and go do something else now, right? Alright, get loaded up in the trailer here. I'm surprised that project didn't take that long. The rental company said they'll come pick this up once they want it back, and I only rented it for a day, so they'll come pick this up, and yeah, we'll get it back, and next time, if we need it again, we can always rent it again. I don't know where this road goes, so we'll find a way to turn around. Oh, okay, if I keep going straight, it's just a little. Alright guys, that's probably going to do it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Alright, bye guys. Peace!